The Dashboards option on the left-hand menu panel allows you to create dashboards. This will allow you to view real-time the status of agents and queues. The default dashboard shows yourself as an employee with specific statistics, your current agent state, whether you are available, busy, on non-ACD, or on an outbound call, as well as the time that you are in that state, your total make busy time for the day, your total do not disturb time for the day, the date and time you logged into the system today, as well as the total amount of time you have been logged in. It also shows the number of incoming interactions that you have handled based on the different media types. To create a new dashboard, make sure you are in the Dashboard sections on the left-hand menu panel of Ignite. Select the Add Plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Select Add Widget. To create an Agent State widget, select Agent State. An Agent State box will open. Select the cogwheels for the settings to the far right of the Agent State box. Select the agents that you want to monitor. You may need to select Show More to view additional agents. Ensure you select the appropriate checkbox for the desired media type: voice, email, chat, SMS, and open media. Use the filter to search for particular agent names. You can change the title of the Agent State monitor if desired. Select Apply. Select Save. The Agent State dashboard shows you the state of all the agents within their specific media types. Users that are in ACD are handling incoming queue interactions. Users that are idle are ready, available, and waiting for an interaction. Users on non-ACD are handling either a direct call or an outbound call. Users which are unavailable are in a make busy state. Users that are not present are absent from a particular media type. Users that are offline are logged off. To edit the existing dashboard and add a Queue Now monitor, select the Edit pen in the top right-hand corner. Select Add Widget. Select Queue Now. A Queue Now box will open. Select the Settings cogwheel to the far right of the Queue Now box. Select the queue or queue groups that you want to monitor. If you have a queue group that you want to monitor, ensure that the group has already been created in the back end of the system. Speak to your IT system administrator. Select the drop-down arrow for queue and choose the queue group option if you are looking for a queue group. A list of available queue groups will appear for you to choose from. Ensure you select the appropriate queue or queue group based on the media types that you want to monitor. You can use the search toolbox to locate a particular queue. You can change the title of the Queue Now monitor if desired. Select Apply when you are ready. Select Save. The Queue Now dashboard shows you a number of statistics relating to various queues or queue groups as you have selected. In the top right-hand corner, you'll be able to see the number of interactions that have been presented to the queue. If you hover over the number of interactions offered, you will get a breakdown of the number of interactions abandoned, handled, or interflowed. Abandoned interactions are where the caller has hung up rather than waiting to be answered. Handled interactions are those that have been answered. Interflowed interactions are generally where the interaction has been taken out of a particular queue and presented elsewhere. This could be a diversion to another number or rerouted to another queue. The service level of each queue is based on the service level objective as set by the System IT Administrator. Context waiting shows you the number of interactions that are waiting in queue waiting to be handled. This relates to the longest waiting timer. Where there are multiple interactions waiting in queue, the longest wait time refers to the interaction that has been in queue the longest. Requeued counts the number of interactions that have been missed by your agents and therefore bounced around. Where you see idle, ACD, non-ACD, or unavailable, this counts the number of agents that are in each particular state. That is, the number of agents that are currently idle, on ACD interactions, non-ACD interactions, or are in an unavailable state. Employee State Dashboards shows each individual agent statistics similar to your own default dashboard. You will need to select each individual employee that you want to monitor. To create a new dashboard, select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Select Add Widget, select Employee State. An Employee State box will open. Select the Settings cogwheel to the far right of the Employee State box. In the filter, search for the employee to monitor. Select the desired employee. Select Apply. Repeat the same steps for each employee. Select Add Widget. Select Employee State. Select the Settings cogwheel to the far right of the New Employee State box. Use the filter to search for and select an employee to add to the monitor. Select Apply. When you have added all your employees, select Save. Notice the information displayed for each of the employee states. To create a dashboard displaying a web URL, select the plus add sign in the top right hand corner. Select Add Widget. Select Web Browser. A web browser box will open. Select the Settings cogwheel to the far right of the web browser box. Enter in the URL www web address to display. You can change the title name of the monitor if desired. Select Apply. There are a number of different dashboard layouts that could be used in Ignite. Select the dashboard to modify. Select Edit. Select Options. Rename the dashboard title as required. Select from one of the desired layouts. Press Close. Within the layout that you have chosen, there are different boxes to identify the positions that you could move a monitor to. To move a monitor around, select the Move icon within a monitor. Hold down and drag the monitor into the desired position within the lines of the layout. Repeat for all monitors required. Press Save. Notice the title has changed. Notice the monitors are now in the desired layout. You can delete a monitor or delete a dashboard completely. Select the dashboard to modify. To delete a monitor, select the Edit pen. Click on the X Delete icon alongside a monitor to remove it. Select Save. To delete an entire dashboard, select the dashboard to modify. Select the Delete icon in the top right hand corner of Ignite. Select Delete to confirm. To swap between multiple dashboards, click on the drop-down arrow where the dashboard name appears in the top middle of the screen. Select the appropriate dashboard to swap to.